Hello iPhone users, let's explore the feature of digital touch in iMessages right away. Now, I have selected this thing that I have tap on the digital that I've already sent, or I can just tap on plus and go to the more and tap on digital touch where I can draw anything live. Like my screen is somewhere capturing thing from my camera and I can draw over it anything and it will be recorded, right? I tap on record, I can send it without recording as well, and I can just take a photo of it. So the left part, the white circle, is of the photo which I showed previously, and now I'm showing you the recording thing. This is a random doodle that I'm doing, not even significant, and see how it is happening. It is just sharing the exact thing to the person, right? You can take a selfie as well and record, or just take a photo of it and you can send it. You can change the colors, right? And that's how we do it. See, in the next video I have more things to tell you for digital touch. Ta-da!